What's up, GCISD? I'm Brad Schnautz, Deputy Superintendent, and we're here today at our Technology Education and Career Center. So February is CTE month, and we're so proud of the numerous CTE programs that we offer here in GCISD to prepare our students for their future. So today we're going to participate in a hands-on lesson in Ms. McConnell's criminal justice class. So come on and join me and let's do this.
I was a crime scene investigator with Las Vegas Metro.
Wow.
For a number of years, and then I went to the suburb of the city of Henderson.
Okay.
I was a supervisor for over 5 years out there for the crime scene unit. So I was on the reactive side of things.
Yeah.
So I always showed up after the fact, after something horrible had gone wrong, something very negative had happened. Teaching and hopefully allows me to be on the proactive side.
Yeah.
And hopefully touch these kids, reach these kids before there's a negative situation
outcome
in their life.
Yeah. So when you show up every day, what is your goal? What is your intended outcome for the kids? You want to impact them in what ways?
Well, we have a quote in my classroom. The two most important days of your life is the day you're born and the day that you find out why. And my goal is to help these young students find out why, because each one of them has a purpose, a destiny in this world, and that the world won't be the same if it weren't for them in it.
As you go through the semester, your time with the students, I was talking to one of your students, he wants to become a private investigator. What are some other areas that you've kind of helped lead kids to their passion, interests? What are some other career aspirations that your students have?
Well, first off, pretty much every child and student in this class, they want to help. That's their heart. That's why they're here. Like I said, lawyers, police officers, firefighters, EMTs, dispatchers, corrections officers, everything that falls within criminal justice, public safety, and law enforcement.
Well, I just want to thank you. Thank you for teaching. Thank you for choosing GCISD. You're making a tremendous impact. And I've talked to almost all your students here. They love this class. And it's because of you. Because you make it interesting. The real cases that you guys have studied of recent, that here on the wall. And so that's what I think CTE is about. It's about real world, hands-on engagement. That's their hook, right? So
That is.
I appreciate you. Thank you.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
All right, so let's find these fingerprints And so for more information for our CTE programs and pathways, please check out our GCISD website.